Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Velo has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in an every practical sense, significant way. Velo's EMA10 truly shows a truly descending pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they most certainly thought. 22 October 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some things, facts, what in every practical sense is certainly transient cost expectation for Velo, truly is Velo a truly wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, which basically shows that 22 October 2023, in this video, we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo. By and large is Velo a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Velo specialized examination, essentially let us by and large discussion about the fundamentally current economic situations, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which especially is genuinely critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,134,997,981,662 in a genuinely significant manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $40,453,921,837, showing how the sort of all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $40,453,921,837 in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very huge. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, exhibiting how the genuinely absolute exchanging volume really remains at $40,453,921,837, showing how the sort of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $40,453,921,837, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP fundamentally is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in an essentially significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions by and large show that the market generally is going in an especially descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting that Velo's EMA10 generally shows a fundamentally descending pattern in a very huge manner. As of now, a truly broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically is genuinely huge. Support truly is a level at which purchasers generally become certainly more fundamentally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in every way that really matters, significant way. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers truly become moves certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution. As per value examination market file, Velo really is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which by and large is genuinely critical. However, Velo in every way that really matters has a value decline of 5.82% in the genuinely last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a genuinely complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, or so they truly thought. Velo Value Investigation Velo Cost Examination for 22 October 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Velo, which truly is very huge. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is a 30. Extremely further appearance how we utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving really normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including essentially basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, break down the future development of the Velo, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, generally is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment explicitly sell extremely signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which certainly implies basically bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout. Essentially further appearance how we utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense. Normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Velo in a kind of huge manner without a doubt. While Velo's Williams %R marker by and large is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition, and in every practical sense, momentary pattern pretty inversion is conceivable, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo generally is moving in every practical sense, descending course concerning the most part, bears effectively really take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004. Exhibiting that Velo